Princess, when you do so long, by the time I don't cook the food, it will all the nutrients. He'll operate out of the food. Don't make gas now, you see. Look how it's doing now, see. He will have again catch leptospirose sauce in your nose. Turn down the fireman, princess. A burn down the blasted horse. Yes, make ways. Take your time so the food can bevel down properly. You move too slow now. Hey, no man not go here, you know. Because when you come from work and things say food done, you know, start it. You're too slouchy, man. Put some pep in your step. This one stir up now. Stir up your pot. Stir up your pot. So much leaf in this. But mommy, you say you want enough vegetable. Yes, but did I say I was a blasted goat? Princess, you didn't put no salt in my pot. Put the salt, man. Do you want to kill me? Oh, this is a poto and plaka so. Salt. I feel me bone here try season around meat. All this a bone here. Oh, some of your dog now. Hey, I might have woof and fling across your face. This could have cooked a little longer. No, sir, I cook too much. When you watch me cook and learn, then you watch cartoon. And the phone cause this is too faint, this is long, you know. Me tell you, say too backward. Yeah, Bafan. Princess, the way this sour, you see, if me did pregnant, the baby would have jump out of me and start read and write set timer. Do you want to kill me? Come put little sugar in this. And sand me and my blood and jam went down. This too sweet. Add little water. Yes, this too fresh now. Every day I have to ask so if you save the blasted sugar to mix cement to build your house. Make your name this. Come wash up them here.
Miracle Store.